Imagine scaling your business without the worry of hiring the wrong person. It's like building a house on a solid foundation that you know is going to stand the test of time. But hiring can be a minefield, especially as your company grows. But don't fret, as I'm here to provide key steps on how background checks will help you scale with confidence. You see, background checks can be like your trusty compass, guiding you through the hiring process, helping you make informed hiring decisions. First, partner with a reputable background checking service that can provide not only team vetting, but C-suite and leadership executive comprehensive checks. This can include anything from international checks, international employment verification, as well as a robust identity verification to confirm all of your remote hiring identity requirements. Number 2, integrate your background checks into your hiring process. Make them a standard part of your application and screening procedures. And number 3, review reports carefully. Pay attention to any red flags that might indicate potential issues, such as unexplained gaps in employment or title discrepancies. Making informed hiring decisions. Use the information from your background checks to assess the candidate's suitability for the role. By following these steps, you can protect your business from potential risks, build a strong, trustworthy team, and focus on achieving your growth goals. Don't let hiring worries hold you back. Partner with an innovative background checking service such as Kentech and scale your business with confidence. Be sure to follow for more tips on how to scale and build a winning team.